Hi, I'm Scotty, and welcome back to our Preno channel. In today's video, we'll dive into Preno's robust reporting and show you how to access, interpret, and utilize these reports. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with knowledge to make data-driven decisions using our software tools. All right, let's get started. First, let's navigate to the Reports section. You'll find this under the Reports tab on the top left of your Preno dashboard. Here, you can access a variety of reports that provide insights into different aspects of your hotel ops. Preno's reports offer several viewing options: daily, weekly, monthly, or custom views, which you can select from a drop-down at the top of each report. This flexibility allows you to analyze data over various periods. You can also download these reports as CSV or PDF files by selecting More, then Download or Print. Alright, today we're going to walk through all the different types of reports that you can find in Preno and how to make the most of them. Whether it's keeping an eye on your financial performance, tracking occupancy trends, or understanding your guest demographics, these reports will give you the insights you need to run your business more effectively. Alright, let's start with the revenue report. This report is essential for tracking your financial performance and provides an overview of your revenue metrics. As you can see, we'll walk through some of the key elements of this report. At the top, you'll notice the metrics at a glance section, highlighting critical figures such as room nights sold, commissions, and total revenue. The snapshot gives you a quick understanding of your overall performance. Now, scrolling down, you have the revenue from accommodation section. This details the performance of different room types at your property, showing how each of them contributes to your overall revenue. You'll see changes in sales volumes, which help in understanding which room types need more promotional effort. Further down, you'll see the revenue from extras section. This breakdown shows additional income sources such as late night checkouts, champagne on arrival, and airport shuttles. These insights help you determine which extras are performing well and which might need more promotion. For example, if you notice that the airport shuttle service has seen a significant increase in bookings, you might decide to promote it even further. On the flip side, if certain extras are underperforming, you can adjust your strategies to boost their sales. By regularly reviewing and comparing your revenue data, you can set realistic monthly targets too and make better, more data-driven decisions. Alright, now let's dive into the occupancy report. This report is crucial for understanding your hotel's occupancy rates, identifying demand patterns, and optimizing room availability. At the top, you'll see the metric at a glance section, which provides a quick overview of your occupancy rates. Now, I'm using Thomas, our salesperson's demo account, so this might look different for your dashboard, but here's just a quick overview of the metrics that we have in this report for our sales demo account. It shows 70% occupancy rate for February 2024, compared to 61% in February 2023, indicating a decent 14% increase in occupancy rate year on year. The occupancy this month compared to others graph offers a visual representation of your occupancy trends over time. This helps you spot patterns and anticipate future performance. Scrolling down, you have a detailed table that breaks down your occupancy data by month. It shows metrics such as nights available, nights closed, nights occupied, and nights unoccupied. This detailed breakdown helps you understand how each month performs and highlights periods of lower occupancy at your property. For instance, you notice a constant dip in occupancy during the winter months. You can dig deeper by clicking on specific months to see detailed metrics by room type. This insight might reveal that certain room types are less popular during winter, promoting you to create a specials winter package deal or targeted marketing campaigns to attract more guests. By monitoring occupancy trends, you can adjust your pricing strategies and improve your marketing efforts during low occupancy periods. This proactive approach ensures you maximize room usage and revenue even during off-peak times. Next up is the bookings report. This report is crucial for tracking new and cancelled bookings, helping you manage reservations more effectively. Let's take a quick look and I'll highlight some key features of this report. In the metrics at a glance section, you'll get a quick snapshot of your booking activity. For example, you can see 305 new bookings received, 5 cancellations, and an average lead time of 4 days for bookings. This overview helps you quickly understand your current booking status. Below this, you have the new bookings received section, which lists individual bookings with details like guest names, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of room nights booked. This detailed view allows you to monitor bookings in real time and manage upcoming reservations. Imagine you notice a high number of cancellations during a specific season. By analysing the reasons for these cancellations, you might discover that guests are cancelling due to unfavourable weather predictions. With this information, you could implement a more flexible cancellation policy during that period to reduce cancellation rates and retain bookings. The agent breakdown section lists total bookings by each agent, helping you identify key booking sources. For instance, if you find that one agent is significantly underperforming, you can address this directly, perhaps offering additional training or revisiting their incentive structure. Analysing booking trends and understanding cancellation reasons can help you refine your sales strategy and address any potential issues that may be flying under your radar. This proactive approach ensures you're always on top of your booking management, helping to maximise your revenue and occupancy. Alright, now let's look at the room closures report. This report helps track availability and manage maintenance schedules. It provides key metrics such as closure dates, affected rooms, and closure reasons, ensuring you have a clear view of when and why your rooms are out of service. In the metrics at a glance section, you'll see an overview of past room closures and average number of nights each room was closed. For instance, it shows that there were 12 nights of room closures spread across 6 incidents, with an average of 2 nights per closure. The past room closures section lists each closure, detailing the start and end dates, the specific rooms affected, and the reasons for the closure. This is critical for identifying patterns and planning future maintenance. For example, you might notice multiple closures due to broken amenities, indicating the need for more regular checks or upgrades. If you have a high occupancy rate, but also frequent room closures for maintenance, this could indicate that your maintenance schedule needs adjusting. By aligning your maintenance schedules with periods of low occupancy, you can minimize revenue loss and ensure rooms are available during peak times. Alright, now the reconciliation report. This report is vital for financial management. As you can see, we'll highlight some key features of this report and how it can help streamline your accounting processes. This report lists all payments recorded against bookings on a given day, categorized payments by method, tracks voided payments. You can see a detailed payment information such as the booking ID, checkout date, payment type, guest name, and the total amount. Preno's integration with Xero is a significant advantage here, providing direct links to deposits or invoices in your Xero account. This integration ensures that all your financial data is synced, making it easier to manage your accounts. Suppose you notice discrepancies in your daily revenue. By regularly using the reconciliation report, you can quickly identify and resolve any inconsistencies. For instance, if a prepayment doesn't match the expected amount, you can investigate and correct it. This ensures all payments are accurately recorded and reconciled. Using this report regularly ensures financial accuracy and effective bookkeeping. It simplifies audits and financial reviews, providing a clear and detailed record of all transactions. Now, onto the sources report. This report provides valuable insights into your booking sources and agent performance. As we look at the screen, we'll highlight some key features of this report. In the metrics at a glance section, you can quickly see the top booking source, the percentage of non-commission bookings, and total commissions. For example, the report shows that our hotel website is the top booking source. Now, this is a great indicator of the effectiveness of your direct booking strategies. The Where Are My Bookings Coming From section breaks down the percentage of bookings, the number of bookings, and the net value from each source. This detailed view helps you understand which channels are most effective and where you might need to adjust your marketing efforts. For instance, you might find that OTAs like Booking.com or Expedia are generating a lot of bookings, but also incurring high commission costs. You might decide to invest more in direct booking campaigns. This might help reduce your dependency on OTAs and increase your profit margins. Detailed agent metrics provide insights into which agents are driving the most bookings and revenue. For example, you might notice that bookings through the Ministry of Social Development are significantly contributing to your occupancy without any commission costs. This allows you to reward high-performing agents and adjust your strategy for those not meeting expectations. Understanding where your bookings are coming from and the associated costs is crucial for understanding your sales strategy and maximizing profitability. By regularly reviewing this report, you can take informed decisions to enhance your booking sources and agent performance. Alright, now onto the last report. We have the guest report. Now this offers a comprehensive summary of your guest demographics and behaviour, helping you enhance the guest experience. As you can see, we'll highlight some of the key features of this report. In the metrics at a glance section, you'll get a quick snapshot of your guest activity. For example, in my Preno account, it shows that we have 153 new guests. 66% of those are returning guests, and they have an average stay of 5.2 days. This overview helps you quickly understand your guest dynamics. The Where Are My Guests From section breaks down guest nationality and number of guests, the number of returning guests, average night stayed, and the average daily spend. This detailed view helps you understand the diversity and spending habits of your guests. For instance, if you notice a high percentage of guests are returning visitors, this insight might lead you to implement a loyalty program, offering special discounts or perks for repeat guests. This strategy can boost guests' loyalty and satisfaction. Tailoring your marketing strategies based on guest demographics and behaviour can significantly improve guest satisfaction and loyalty. For example, if you have a large number of international guests from a specific country, you might offer language-specific services or targeted promotions to make them feel more welcome. This personalised approach can enhance their experience and increase the likelihood of positive reviews and repeat bookings. Alright, we've made it through all the reports. Thank you so much for sticking with me to this part of the video. Now, by utilising the reporting functions in Preno, you can gain valuable insights into your business ops, financial performance, and guest preferences. Make sure to regularly review and act on these insights. It will definitely make a difference in your operations and the guest experience. For more details or tutorials, visit our Preno Help Centre. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you like what you see, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.